If you are anything like me, then you may have eaten a little, tell the truth, Deborah, or maybe even a lot more than you normally would during the holiday season. But you guys, that is okay. And as a matter of fact, between you and me, I locked up the carb police so that I could eat in peace. But today, you guys, it is back to business. And we're going to start with this 10-minute full body workout. You guys, it is totally doable. It is beginner friendly. It is low impact. And another thing that we need to do, you guys, is we need to lock up those processed foods, those foods that are high in sugar, and those simple carbs that spike our blood sugar. Everything in balance and in moderation. As a matter of fact, what I typically like to do is I eat 85% of the time what I know that my body needs, which is high protein and lower carbs. And the rest of the time, you guys, just like during the holiday season, I'm going to splurge, I'm going to indulge, but I know I have to get right back on track, which is what this exercise is going to do today for us, along with, like I said, locking up those things that you know does not do a body good. So the format is 10 exercises, 45 seconds each in duration, with a 15-second active break in between. We're going to do some marches, you guys. And without further ado, carve yourselves out some space, get yourselves into some comfy clothing, and let's get busy. Okay, you guys, we're going to start with some high knees. And make sure to keep this core strong. And another thing to keep in mind, if you cannot lift your leg this high, then you know what you do? You lift it as high as what feels comfortable for you. All right, bring me that march. And the next exercise is elbow to knee, right, left. Working in these obliques. And also keep in mind too, if my pace is too fast or too intense, slow it down and work at the pace that works for you. Important thing is to keep it moving, even if you have to bring it back to a march. Last one. All right. Okay, the next one, we're going to tap laterally, right, left. And the arms are going to follow. Wear those abs, you guys. Keep them in. Few more, and back to the march. Last one, march it out. And this next one, we're gonna tap to the right. Alternate, left, right arm, and then up. 2 up. You got it. Or if you want to keep the alternating arms in, you can do exactly that. Excellent work, you guys. I feel that energy out there. Get ourselves back on track after this beautiful holiday. Rest, relaxation, and that good food. I know. I was there with you. Okay, march it out. And the next one is a low impact jumping jack. And like I said at the beginning of this workout, it's perfectly okay, you guys, to indulge in some of the things that you love, but just realize that you have to bring it back down and get it back on track. Because if you don't do that on occasion, you're going to find yourself binge eating, and that's not any good either. Okay, arm circles. Slow it down. Had to find the rhythm music, you guys. And give me that slow march too. Nice arm circles. And halfway through, I'm gonna prompt you to reverse the rotation. And get ready. Reverse. Nice work. Relax those shoulders. When you start to fatigue, you know what happens. We hunch those shoulders, you guys. So be mindful of that. Relax them. Even though this very simple exercise is burning like crazy. Nice work. And up next, we're gonna do a crab walk, which means that we're gonna go down low to really engage these quads. Okay. All right. And once you get this rhythm, and if you want, add in those arms. Full body, you guys. So right here, we're working the arms, we're working these thighs, and guess what? Because we're holding these abdominal muscles in, we're engaging this core muscle as well. Okay, last one. Bring it to the march. And up next, we're gonna do a simple squat. Okay, spread those legs, shoulder width apart. And when you come up, squeeze these glutes. Squeeze. And squeeze, yeah. And keep these core muscles strong. Add in the arms if you want. And if you can't go this slow, what did I say at the beginning? Customize it to work for you. If this is what you need to do, perfectly acceptable. All right, you guys, march it out. And this next one, we're gonna do a run and a punch, low impact. So it's more like a quick march. But this punch, give me that gusto. Yeah, punch it, punch it, punch it. Excellent work, you guys. 15 seconds left. You're almost there. You can do this. We're in it together. Okay, back to the march. And you know what? We cannot forget these inner thighs. All right, get in position. Feet turn out. Lower. Left heel up. Right heel up. Yes. One of my favorite inner thigh exercises because you can feel it really, really quickly. Walk those feet in. High five, you guys. Excellent, excellent work. We are back on track. And remember, combine this exercise routine with a sensible diet that works for you. And one way for you to determine whether or not the food that you're eating is good for you is pay attention, you guys, to how it makes you feel and how it makes you look. Because if something is not good for you, even though it tastes good, afterwards, you may not feel your best, and you will have a tendency to be inflamed or bloated, and your digestive system just is not functioning properly, okay? So please do keep that in mind. That is one way to make a determination as to whether or not the foods that you're eating are actually good and healthy for you. So having said that, I want to thank you all so very much for being here with me today. And if you enjoyed this workout, please do remember to give it a like. And please do share my channel with those that you feel would benefit from what we are doing here in this community. And that is making this chapter of our lives the best chapter of our lives. And as always, you guys, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And thanks for joining us.